Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, and I talked about the falling wedge pattern and how it had really caught my eye. But I mean, at least the price was polite enough to not like build any hope or anything like that there might be some sort of breakout to the downside. And what do I mean by that? Well, first off, the price just flat out gapped down, so that's not exactly a great sign of power. And then after the gap down, the price immediately broke to the downside of that pattern, came back tested it, and then just continued on down. So that pattern, as nice as it was looking, like I said, never even really had a chance with that gap down. And, like I said, at least it didn't. What do I mean by it was polite? Well, what would have been very unpolite is if the price had gapped up, broken up above there, and then just dropped. And that would have been a cheap shot, right? Oh, the fake breakout. I think we've all been there as traders before. But in this situation, nope, just a flat out gap down and then break into the downside of that pattern. So what I'm going to do here is just get rid of those lines. They've served their purpose. The pattern is no longer there. It's been violated. Now, in the event the price does try to bounce, and it's valid right now to think that maybe some sort of bottom is forming. You can see basically all afternoon long, the price went sideways right here at $18.10, which brings about, the important level of support because, well, by definition, if this is the bottom, well, then it needs to stay the bottom, meaning you don't want to see the price all of a sudden violating 1810 because that would imply, once again, by definition, well, it's not the bottom because now all of a sudden the price is even lower. So $18.10 is going to be that first key level that you'll want to watch from the support side of things. And if the price does bounce, as far as next potential areas of resistance in the more so near term, first key level going to be right there around $18.55. And then after $18.55, next key level right up there around the $19 mark. But all in all, the downtrend continues, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.